So 2018 was a pretty rough year for me. I was homeless, I was unemployed, and really looking for something to make my life better. So the company in the early days was just me. I didn't have all the equipment that I needed. I had equipment that had cords, and I found myself many times cutting that cord with electrical tape every 5 feet. At times it was difficult, but I just kept moving forward.
When I joined Liggins Landscaping and wanted to be a part of the office, he's awesome in the field. He was actually doing all of the mowing, all of the weeding, all of the invoicing. Everything was done basically by Darren, and slowly and steadily we built the business.
I wanted to be a strong example for my children, knowing that there are people out there that are very good at what they do that just don't have an opportunity. I wanted this place to be a safe space for people to grow, figure out who they are, and then move on to bigger and better things.
Darren's mindset was so strong, and he's always been such an incredible human being that his motivation inspired me. It was my mission to be the best Liggins Landscaping that we could be and really make both of our dreams come true. SBA has always been an organization that I've looked for guidance in all of the things that I've done in my professional career. We met Sharon Ann at a Chamber of Commerce luncheon. She did a presentation, and I knew that she was the one that was going to take us next level.
So when I first met Darren and Alicia at the Chamber of Commerce event, I was excited because they had a pretty brand new business and they really wanted to make it grow.
You know, the thing about asking for help or listening to someone else is having the trust and that faith that what they say is important and to actually apply that action to it.
What I love about working with Darren and Alicia is they are extremely humble people. They wanted to work out into the community.
Darren and I may own a landscape company, but we don't just cut grass. We hire attitude over skill. We often give people the opportunity that maybe for second chances. We've hired several people who have been home displaced and maybe have been judged on their appearance.
It's important for us to create jobs because a lot of people just don't get that opportunity. It could be a number of things. Some people just don't fit in some places.
Landscaping is a hard job, but we work both on professional and personal growth so that when our employees leave, they are the best versions of themselves.
Every day, I wake up thinking about my guys. What can I do to make their lives better? What can I do to show how grateful we are to have them? Liggins Landscaping isn't really about us. Liggins Landscaping is about the other man or the other woman and what we can do to help